Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to use Picsart Animator. To use Picsart Animator for creating animations, first of all, you'll need to download the Picsart Animator app on your device. Launch open your App Store or your Play Store and search for Picsart Animator in the search box. In the search result, open up the Picsart Animator app and tap on the Get or the Install button to download the app on your device. Once the app is downloaded, tap on the Open button. Your Picsart Animator app will appear on the screen. Now, tap the plus button at the bottom to create a new animation project. You can select blank pages, photos, emoji, or paper to start up with the animation. I'm just gonna open up a blank page. Now, you can go ahead and use the options provided at the bottom in order to start up your animation. Draw or import images for each frame of your animation. If you want to add the frame, you can simply tap on the plus button at the bottom in order to add more frames on your animation. Go ahead and select the frame, select one of the frames, and then you can use the draw tool to select the size of the brush and then create animations on the screen. Go to the next frame again and then you can create more animations using the brush tool, adding shapes, etc. Enhance your animations with effects, text, or additional elements if desired. Explore around with the animation tools, which might take you a few times so that you can get a hang of it. Once you are done, you can then export your animation easily by clicking on the arrow at the top right corner and download the animation on your device or share it directly onto social media platforms. So that is how you can easily create animations on Picsart. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.